Hi everyone, it's Toby here, and in this video we'll be learning how to make this easy and absolutely tasty shredded mackerel stew. Now the ingredients you'll need are Titus fish, known as mackerel fish in English, onion, tatashe, cooking oil, chili pepper, scotched bonnet, which is also atarudo, tomatoes, curry powder, salt, thyme, and seasoning. Any seasoning of your choice. Now without further ado, let's get cooking. To begin, you remove the seeds from the tatashe and rinse. Then you place the tatashe, the chili pepper, and the scotched bonnet in a chopper and chop roughly. Once you're done chopping, you set this aside. Next, you debone and gut the mackerel fish. Ensure you remove every piece of bone in the fish. Now for this, I'll be using smoked mackerel fish because it tends to add a very nice flavor to any meal it's used in. So you debone the fish. Once you're sure the whole bones have been removed, you rinse, shred, and set aside. Next, you slice the onions, dice the tomatoes, and also set aside. Next, you heat up the oil in an empty pan and add the sliced onions. We're going to fry this for about 3 minutes till it's translucent. Next, you add the pepper and stir fry for 3 minutes. Now once the oil has settled on top, you add the tomatoes and stir fry for 5 minutes. Next, you add the salt, curry powder, crushed seasoning, and thyme. You stir fry for about 5 minutes or until you notice the oil that has settled on top. And finally, you add the shredded smoked fish. Now remember, this fish has already been cooked, so this is just the final part. You just stir and leave to simmer on low heat for about 3 minutes, and your shredded mackerel stew is ready to be served. How quick was that? Now this can be served with anything ranging from rice, yam, beans, anything at all. For this, I'll be serving mine with yamarita. You can learn how to make that in the link below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumb up and hit the follow button. Till next time, bye bye.